I ran into an interesting problem, thought I would make a video about how to fix it. When I press the play button on my camcorder, it says cannot record movies on this memory card. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So I'm using a Canon Comms Pro. The first thing you'll have to do is switch it from camera to media when the SD card is in the slot, as shown there. And then your screen will change. Click on menu. And then click on the second tab. Then go to Initialize SD card. And then press play. Then select the mem card you want to fix, which is A in my case. And then it shows the stats, and click Initialize. It says quickly erase all files from memory card. Initialize? Yes. Process completed successfully. And now it should work. So now when we switch it back from media to camera, and wait, and then we press the record button, it records without any problem.